previous class we discussed the topic, Technology of Different Information Age I. In today's class we will be learning the topic, Generations of Computers. The term generation of computers refers to the various stages or periods in the development and evolution of computer technology. Each generation is marked by significant advancements and innovations that have shaped the capabilities, size, and functionality of computers. First generation, 1940s-1950s. The first computers used vacuum tubes for circuitry and magnetic drums for memory. They were large, expensive, and consumed a lot of power. Second generation, 1950s-1960s. This generation saw the introduction of transistors, which replaced vacuum tubes. Transistors were smaller, more reliable, and more efficient, leading to smaller and faster computers. Third generation, 1960s-1970s. Integrated circuits, ICs, were developed during this period. ICs allowed multiple transistors to be combined on a single semiconductor chip, resulting in even smaller and more powerful computers. Fourth generation, 1970s-1980s. Microprocessors were introduced, which integrated the entire central processing unit, CPU, of a computer onto a single chip. This advancement led to the development of personal computers, PCs, and the beginning of the digital revolution. Fifth generation, 1980s present. This generation is characterized by the development of powerful microprocessors, large-scale integration, and the rise of personal computers. It also includes advancements in artificial intelligence, expert systems, and parallel computing. Sixth generation, present and future. The current generation is marked by advancements in cloud computing, mobile devices, the Internet of Things, IoT, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and augmented reality. The focus is on improving connectivity and integrating technology into various aspects of our lives. These advancements have led to improvements in processing power, size reduction, energy efficiency, and overall performance of computers. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.